What is a programming language? Language is the primary means of communication for all human interactions. In the same way, to interact with computers, you need a language which the computer understands and is called a programming language. To communicate with computer, programmers use computer language which is known as programming language. So, programming language can be defined as a set of instructions which are written in any specific computer language to perform a set of activities. Programming languages have syntax.
Syntax is the same as grammar in any language.
The syntax is a set of rules that we need to follow when we write a computer program. Every programming language has its own syntax. But programming language will eventually be converted into a language which computer will understand. Examples of programming languages are C, C++, C#, Python, PHP, Java, JavaScript, or F#, etc.